Okay, good morning friends. Today I will discuss about the relation and function which will come under the Karnataka CET, otherwise JEE Main. I will concentrate on the Karnataka CET. Okay, first lesson. In that relation and function, I will discuss only today only relation. Some MCQ on the relation. Here, first question is there. What is that? Let R be a relation from Q to Q, from rational number to rational number, defined by set of ordered pair where A comma B belongs to rational number and A minus B is belongs to integer. Then which of the following are true? Whether A comma A belongs to R, whether A comma B belongs to R means is it a B comma A also belongs to R? We have to check. This is a symmetric, this is a reflexive, this is a symmetric. Then A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. Then is it A comma C also belongs to R? We have to verify. This is a transitive relation which will be satisfied. Whether the both 1 and 2 satisfy or 2 and 3 satisfy, let me check it. First one. Is it a first? What is the first one? Reflexive. Let me check it. What is the A minus A? Is equal to 0. Is it a 0 is belongs to integer? Yes. 0 also integer. Hence, A comma A belongs to what? Relation. Therefore, for all A belongs to in the rational number, we should take an element in the rational only. It is a relation from Q to Q. That's why it is satisfying. Hence, it is a reflexive. First one, it is a reflexive. Second one, I will take if A comma B belongs to R. What it implies? It means that A minus B belongs to integer. According to definition. This A minus B is belongs to integer. It nothing but a 2. Negative or number minus is it a belongs to integer? Yes. Then I will multiply negative of this number. I will multiply minus A minus B. Is it a belongs to integer? Yes. Any integer, those negative also the integer only. Then it is a B minus C belongs to integer. B minus A belongs to integer means B comma A. Is it a belongs to relation? Yes, it is belongs to relation. Hence, what we can say? It is a symmetric relation. Second one also it is satisfied. Then third one. What is the third one? Transitive. We have to check it. If A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, we have to check whether A comma C belongs to R or not. We have to check it. Now, it means what is the meaning of this one? A minus B belongs to integer. Okay, now what is the meaning of this one? According to the definition of the relation, B minus C belongs to integer. Okay, now if it is belongs to relation means A minus B is an integer. It is B comma C belongs to relation means B minus C is an integer. Then let me do this one. If 2 plus 2 is an integer, 3 is an integer, sum of the two also integer. We know that one. A minus B plus B minus C. It is an integer. It is an integer. Therefore, minus B plus B get cancelled. A minus C is belongs to integer. A minus C belongs to integer, nothing but A comma C is belongs to relation. Hence, it is a transitive relation also. It is a reflexive, it is a symmetric, it is a transitive. Therefore, all the three are true. Therefore, the all are true. Okay, let me move on to the next question. Okay, next one, second question. The domain and range of the relation R is given by set of ordered pair where y is equal to x plus 6 by x, where x comma y belongs to natural number and x is less than 6 are respectively, which are the domain and range. Now I will find the first I will write a relation x plus 6 by x. Now I want to take an x is less than 6. First 1 I will take. 1 plus 6 by 1 is 6, it is a 7. Okay, it is a natural number. Next, I will take a 2. 2 plus 6 by 2, it is a 3. It is a 5. Agree, it is also a natural number. Let me check y equal x equal to 3. 3 plus 6 by 3, it is a 2, nothing but a 5. It is also a natural number. Then let me go to the 4. 4 plus 6 by 4. That is nothing but a 6 by 4, nothing but a 3 by 2. It is an, if we simplify, it is not a natural number. It is not belongs to natural number. Hence, it is not a satisfying the relation. Then let me go to the 5. Because only 5, up to 5 you should take. X is less than 6. Then y is equal to 5 plus 5 by 6 by 5. If you simplify, this is also not a natural number. Okay, na? That's why you have to take x is less than 6 only. Up to here is enough. Then which is a satisfying? 1, 2, 3. Domain is a 1, 2, 3. Then what is the codomain? Sorry, what is the range? Range is an 7, 5, 5. If it is a element 2 times you will get it, means only one time is enough. 5, 7, 5 or 5, 7. Which is the option? Second option is right. You know, domain is 1, 2, 3. Range is 5, 7. This is our required answer. Let me move on to the next one. Okay. Okay. Next question. Let A is an x, y, z. B is an A, B, C, D. Then which of the following is not a relation from A to B? Not a relation. What is the basic condition for the relation? If set of ordered pair means, first of all, A should belongs to first element should belong to first set, second element should belong to second set. Is it X is a first set, S A is a second set, or S it is a relation. Then this one Y is an first set, then C D is a second set. Next this one Z is a first set, A D is a second set. Then Z Y A. Look at it. A is not in the first set. Okay, that's why it is not a relation. It is our required answer. Okay, now let me move on to the next one. Next question. R is a relation on N, natural number. Be careful. Given by set of ordered pair such that 4x plus 3y is equal to 20. Which of the following belongs to R? This R. What is the x value? What is the y value? Now be careful, it is a relation on N. Relation on N means x and y both are must be in the natural number. Here minus 4 is there, it is not our solution. Here 0 is there, it is not a natural number. It is also not our answer. Okay, let me check 3, 4 and 2, 4. Now it is a 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 4 is 12. 12 2 is 24. It is not our solution. Then what is last one? That is 2, 4. 4 2 is 8 plus 3 4 is 12. It is a 20. Yes, it is our answer. Okay, let me move on to the next one. Okay, next question. Let L be the set of all the lines in xy plane. R be the relation in L defined as set of L1, L2 such that L1 is parallel to L2. L1 is parallel to L2. If R is an equivalence relation, then the set of all the lines related to the line y is equal to 2x plus 4. I want to write a line, set of lines in the plane which are related to this one. The line which are related to this one means the line which are we have to find they are parallel to this line because condition they give us L1 is parallel to L2. I want to write a lines which are parallel to this line. Which are those? This is the parallel lines slope is same. Hence the slope is y is equal to mx plus c means slope should be same. Yes, this slope is same. Here it is 4x is there. It is not. It is not. here minus 2 is there. It means that first condition itself is in holds good that slope should be parallel line means slope should be same, that is a y equal to 2x plus c. C means it is a set of real number, so many lines are there, parallel lines. It is the parallelity, it is not depend on the intercept. It is a depend upon only slope. Slope is equal means they are the parallel lines. Okay na? Then this is the option. Okay, let me move on to the next one. Okay, next one. Let S be the set of all the points in a plane and R be a relation on S defined by relation set of point P comma Q such that distance between the P and Q is less than 2 units. The distance between the 2 points P and Q is less than 2 units. Then R is whether reflexive or symmetric or both or transitive. We have to check it. Okay, first one, what is the reflexive? If you take any 2 points, same point P comma P, same point I am taking this point and it point. What is the distance between the same point? 0. There is no distance. Then 0 is a less than 2 S. 0 unit is a less than 2 only. Hence P comma P belongs to R S. Second one, I will take a 2 point P comma Q which is belongs to R. It means that distance between the P and Q is a less than 2. Agree. If distance between the P and Q is in 1.5 means the distance between the Q and P also what? 1.5 only, same from year to year, same only distance. Therefore, that is also belongs to R. Hence, what we can say that it is a symmetric. It is a symmetric. Then, let me move on to the what transitive. Now, distance between the P and Q, I will take it as a 1.5 unit, agree. And distance between the Q and R, I will take it as a 1 unit. Then what is the distance between P and R? What is the distance between the P and R? This is 1.5 plus 1. P to Q, Q to R. It means that 1.5, 1. Then what is that? 2.5. 2.5 is greater than 2. That's why P comma Q, P comma R does not belongs to what? Relation. Hence, it is not a transitive relation. Hence, it is a reflexive, symmetric but not transitive. This is our right answer. Okay, agree? Let me stop. Sorry. Okay, thank you so much. Next problems will start on the next class. Okay, thank you so much.